So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Maria Dakers, and we're going to give you some good news. Finally, some good news. So, Kevin Stewart is back in training. That's good news, people. That's really good news. And in all aspects, we're expecting good things. I got a video clip of him. I'm going to show it to you guys right now. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to give you some update. So, it's expected that Kevin Stewart should be back in training, in full flight this weekend coming. Reason being, guys, relax. I'll be showing you a video quite soon. Reason being, he was out due to minor injury, just a minor injury, nothing that serious, but he's expected to be back quite soon. Now, in all aspect of everything, this is good news for the Reggae Boyz. Guys, smash the like button. I won't go any further. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. I realize that a lot of you guys are not hitting the like button, you know. Come on, guys. Give me the thumbs up. You know how hard it is to get this information. But in the same sense, let's get straight to the details. All right, so it was in disarray when we realized that Kevin Stewart was injured, and we know that he's literally first choice. He's literally the first choice CDM for the Reggae Boyz. First choice CDM for the Reggae Boyz. So we're expecting good things. Blackpool, they are coming off 2 defeats, suffering because they don't have one of their key players, especially someone who's going to shield that defense and give them some protection. And consider like 3 goals in 2 games. No, 5 goals. They considered 5 goals in 3 games, and that is never good enough down in the championship. And the next opponent is Sunderland, and I do believe that they would want to have Kevin Stewart for that. But let's rally back things now in all aspects to the Reggae Boyz. Now, we know that Kevin Stewart is the ideal person for that CDM role at this point in time, and we do expect to have him. But the problem is this injury concern was a big one, and it's something that we're trying our best to get over. And guess what? We've finally gotten some good news that Kevin Stewart is now fully back and fit, fully fit and back. Doesn't matter how you guys want to put it. And he's in training, and he's willing and ready to go to face Millwall over the weekend. He's ready to face Millwall. He won't feature tomorrow against Sunderland. He won't feature tomorrow against Sunderland, but they're expecting to have him against Millwall. You know, Sunderland, that's an EFL Cup. And I think the championship is more vital because Blackpool would want to make a massive step up to the table. So this is what was my tweet, people. Great news for the Reggae Boyz camp as Blackpool star Kevin Stewart is back in training and ready for the season ahead. Great boost for the Jamaica squad as he was an integral aspect of our midfield for the World Cup qualifiers. Yes, he is, and we're looking forward to seeing him. So here's a few small snaps, small clips, a clip, or you want to put it, of him in training, getting himself 100% fit. Yeah, I'm working out with the physio. He's back with the squad at this moment. But this was his first clip. Video was actually done like maybe 2-3 days ago. But the good thing is that he's back and he's ready to start off this season on the right foot. Now, we know that we need a fully fit Kevin Stewart. That's what we do know. We need a fully fit Kevin Stewart to help us along this journey that we're going through. And we need to select the best players. And at this point in time, he's one of the better players that we do have, and we're relying on to have him. So, in all aspects, people, I don't think I should go any further. I think this is more than sufficient enough information. I almost forgot. So Kevin's compatriot, guys, remember I did a few breakdown on 3 Kevin Stewart as well. Kevin Stewart, Anthony Grant, and Jordan Cousins. So guys, please remember to go and watch those videos. You need to see those videos. Those are tactical breakdown on how all 3 players can improve our squad. And it's important that we do this, people, so we can have a better idea of how we can move going forward. The next tactical breakdown video that is coming out is actually a video against Ethan Pinnock. So I'll be doing the defenders now. Just finished 3 central defensive midfielder. I wasn't really thinking about going any further with it, But we needed to cover the areas that we're having problems with. Now, another crucial area that we're having problems with is the right back position. So I need to do a tactical insight on our right back options and what we can do. But at this one time, it seems as if it's Alva Spoil and West Harding people are the two who are selected, who are the two who are likely to make that shift. And we know over left hand side, Amar Bell and definitely Kemar Tax Lawrence. But we'll see how that one goes, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. This has really been a good one. And up until now, people, hopefully I see you guys again. Remember, people, this has been really a good one. Military Guna TV, people. And I